Hey guys, I'm Jeremy. This is my bike. Starting at the top, I got the ODI extra long necks with the Odyssey par ends. Got the Kink Uptown bars. They are 8 1/4 high by 28.5 wide. Pretty nice. Pretty good size. My stems, Sunday Freeze. It's alright, I guess. It's holding up so far. I had it on my previous bike, my Sunday, and the stem that came on it was a front load, and I just felt like going to top load, so I just put that back on. Had to get a new fork bolt. I got a shadow bolt. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see the tire. Like, it's cut out a lot so you can see the tire. Odyssey integrated headset. Kink Strife 2 forks. Oh yeah, and the color of the bike is midnight blue. Kink midnight blue. It's pretty nice. Front hub is Mission Echo hub. Right there. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. Not a female axle or anything, so nothing special, but it's sealed, so it's good, I guess. Got an Alienation Black Sheep rim. Pretty good, actually. I like them. Duo SVS 2.25 tire in the front. Odyssey JPEG right there. The frame's a 2013 Kink Liberty frame. Kink, right here. Kink Liberty 2013. Pretty nice. Yeah. Sunday seat clamp on it. The frame's a 20.75 top tube. It's pretty nice. I like the size. My seat's a Kink Sexton seat. Favorite seat. I love it. Seat post is just stock off of my Sunday that I had before. Pedals are Mission Impulse PC. They're pretty good, actually. I know Tony Hamlin rides them, so yeah, he must like them. I haven't really tried too much grinding with them yet, because it's winter and I'm in my garage and I don't have a lot of room, so yeah, but I think they'll be good. Cranks are Mission Transit. Right there. Mission. Pretty good cranks, I guess. Stock. Sprocket's a Mission Nexus sprocket. It's pretty sweet. It looks like kind of looks like a tree light sprocket. It's nice. KMC chain. I don't know a second if you can see that, but KMC. Pretty good chain, I guess. I don't know. It's probably pretty cheap. Odyssey JPEG on the back. I just got this Primo drive side hub guard. Pretty good. Yeah, because I run my pegs on the right. Another Alienation Black Sheep. Mission React hub. Get you a closer look at that. It's pretty good. I'll give you a sound of that in a second. Back tires, another Duo SVS. It's pretty new. It still has like this stuff in the middle here. Front one. It's kind of worn off a bit. Yeah. But yeah. What did I miss here? Bottom bracket. It's a Mission bottom bracket, Spanish. Bottom bracket, 19mm. Yeah, I think that's everything on my bike. So yeah, overall it's pretty good. I like it. It's pretty close to stock, but I just decided to make a bike check just for a new video on my channel. This is my new channel. Yeah. So here, I'll give you a hub sound. So yeah, it's pretty good. yeah, it's pretty loud, I guess. The bike's pretty dialed. Here, I'll show you. It's pretty good. Tires are a little low on air, but yeah. Weighs about 24 pounds. About that. Yeah. It looks really good. The blue color. Yeah. And my helmet, I got this for Christmas too. Helmet, it's ProTech Bucky classic helmet. Got some stickers on there. Colt. You know, got a few stickers. Yeah. It's a pretty nice helmet. Yeah, so that's basically my bike. If you guys want me to review any parts or have any questions about it, or if I missed anything, just leave a comment below. And thanks for watching, guys.